Welcome back to Be Pro Rider, your go-to source for the latest in motorcycling news. Today we're thrilled to announce the long-awaited launch of the 2025 Aprilia SR50, a scooter that redefines urban mobility with its stylish design, unmatched performance, and innovative features. Let's dive into what makes this 50cc scooter a game-changer. Design and aesthetics. And walking in, it's a bit soothing maybe when you're feeling overwhelmed by precarious thoughts. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Aprilia SR50 is its sleek and aggressive design. Drawing inspiration from Aprilia's racing heritage, the SR50 has sharp lines and dynamic curves that give it a sporty, eye-cutting look. Available in a range of bold colors, the SR50 stands out in any city landscape, perfect for riders who want to make a statement on the road. The performance and power. Don't let the 50cc engine size fool you. The 2025 SR50 packs a punch, offering responsive acceleration and excellent handling, making it ideal for navigating busy city streets. Powered by a Euro 5 compliant engine, this scooter delivers both power and efficiency. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, the SR50 provides a smooth and fuel-efficient ride without compromising performance. Technology and features. One of the key highlights of the 2025 SR50 is its cutting-edge technology. It comes equipped with a full LED lighting system, ensuring better visibility and safety during night rides. The scooter also features a digital instrument cluster, displaying all the important information at a glance, such as speed, fuel levels, and trip data. The SR50 also offers a USB charging port, allowing riders to stay connected on the go. Safety and comfort. Safety is always a priority, and the Aprilia SR50 doesn't disappoint. With advanced braking systems and high-grip tires, this scooter ensures maximum control in various road conditions. Its ergonomically designed seat and spacious footboard make for a comfortable ride, even during longer journeys. The 2025 Aprilia SR50 is more than just a scooter. It's a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology, designed to enhance your urban riding experience. Stay tuned for more updates and detailed reviews, only here on Aprilia's newest masterpiece. Ready to take on the city with Aprilia's newest masterpiece? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things two wheels.